Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. Today we're making Frikadeļu Zupa, which is like a mini meatball soup, family favourite here. I'm joined by my co-host, who's my mother-in-law, off shot here, who's getting going already. So I'm just going to talk. I'm going to run through the ingredients. It's one of these recipes that's made by eye, so I'll work out the quantities and put them at the end of the video. So already we've got some meat going in here, some minced pork and some salt and some pepper, and there'll be some nutmeg and an egg and some onion, some garlic. There'll be 5 caraway seeds. These are gimnes in Latvian. They're quite a strong taste. Latvians put them in everything, and I don't particularly like the taste. I think it's a bit like the coriander leaf, where some people don't like it. I'm not really sure, but so my mother-in-law jokes, and she just puts 5 in. So tika piec, Benny? Pieci. Yeah.
God's decent.
Decent.
God's
10. She's going to put 10 in this time. So however she feels. To thicken up the meatballs, we've got some potato flour.
Kādas 3 steikrots.
3 teaspoons, and some.
Un arī kādas 3.
Also 3 of these. This is oat flour, and that will make the meatballs, which is the main part of the soup, really. For the vegetables for the soup, we've just got potatoes and carrots and
Pētersīļi, zupā būs, pētersīļi, dilles būs.
And there'll be some dill and some parsley and some onions as well. So it's in the vegetable side, it's a very simple soup. It's really about the meatballs that give the flavour. So the garlic's going in now, as you can see. And then it will all get minced up. So we'll get on. I'll film the process of making the meatballs, and then we'll be cooking it on the wood fire on the stove. That needs to go on a bit later. But it's a very simple, very tasty winter hearty soup to make. So let's get on and film the rest of the making, and then you can see at the end when it's finished.
Cik tu teici?
3.
3. Tikai izteicis tā te, es to te taisu. Jo visu laiku nav jāuzņem. Tagad sākums, un tā kā būs pilns, un viss kārtībā. Līšu un cepeškrāts iekšā. Tā kamēr silts āda kartupeļiem un mērķis, un pēc tam uz maizes liek.
Okay, so we've made our meatballs, our frikadeļu. The next stage is to cut the vegetables, and in a moment I'll get the wood fire on, get the stove on, and then we can get the water heated up. We've got some carrots, potatoes, onions, salt, pepper. We'll add some dill and some parsley as well, and I've got a cup of tea, of course, obligatory. In terms of the quantity, entirely up to you, depending on how much soup you want to make. We use a 10-12 litre soup pan, something like that. We make enough soup for a couple of days. So obviously we've got enough to fill that pan. That's what we've got here. So let's get on and do that.